To uninstall Anaconda 3 from your PC, you have to go to C drive. Now you can't see program data because it's hidden. So how to see that hidden folder? Go to view and then click on hidden items, so you can see the hidden folders. Go to program data and then navigate down to Anaconda 3. So you'll see here, you'll see all the DLL files and exe files. So what I will do, I will click on uninstall Anaconda 3. Yes, I want to uninstall. So if you have a previous version like Anaconda 2, you can do the same thing. I'm just doing it for this video and I'll then install it once again. This is the way you can uninstall the program. So when it's finished, it will tell you to reboot your PC. So just wait for that. You can see which packages are being deleted so that you can install. It's quite fast, so that I will not go through with this one. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So there are thousands of packages that will uninstall. So when it is done, it will take you few minutes to like a half an hour to finish, because I had a number of packages, so it took me almost 40 minutes to get rid of all those packages, all the stuff. So now when it's done, so click next, and yes, you need to click finish. You can't see Anaconda 3, so it's all uninstalled. So now we are going to restart our system. So restart your PC.